Today I want to talk about the Unity 9-foot 6-weight fly rods that I build here, hand build here in Wasilla, Alaska under the label Susitna Rods. The 9-foot 6-weight Unity is a really awesome trout fly fishing rod here in the Matsu Valley. Let's talk about the rod. It has an Olympic green finish, blank finish. Looks really nice, really good curb appeal. I use chrome single foot running guides. And then the thread is a pale gold metallic with a black twist. Looks really awesome. Do a 7.5-inch reverse half wells, high grade cork handle with a custom look. Here, the reel seat is CNC machined with an aluminum insert with this fish laser engraved into the reel seat, and then a 1-inch lean, high grade cork fighting butt. Really nice cast and fly rod. It's a moderate to fast action. Probably the thing I like most about this rod is its durability. The blank is a proprietary blend of graphite, resin, and some fiberglass. Extremely durable rod, which is what you want fishing here in the Matsu Valley. We have big trout, 25 to 30-inch trout. We fish around a lot of wood, so you got to put some pressure on those fish to get them out of the wood. And then we're incidentally hooking salmon on all of our trips. So we're hiking through thick brush, we're rowing around wood. In my single man, I've rode these rods into log jams, or into a log jam, and watched the rods. I thought I was watching the rods break, and they didn't break. So yeah, it's great. And you'll see from some of the pictures of the rods loading up and flexing. So durability, it's probably one of the most durable trout fly rods that's available. Casting, moderate to fast action. It's a rod, I really like it because you can feel it load throughout the cast. So it's kind of a fast action you can feel. So for advanced casters, really enjoy the rod. I've had some really experienced fly fishermen in my boat comment on the rod, like, hey, I really like this rod, what is it? And so also the entry-level fly caster or entry-level fly fisherman, it's a really great rod for them because the rod is forgiving and does load as they're throwing back to cast. Okay, so application, I do a lot of nymphing, bead fishing, nymphing buggers, and then ripping streamers, which are techniques we use here in the Matsu Valley. So if you're looking for a fly rod, for the Matsu Valley, I can't think of a better boat rod or just great utility fly rod. I sell them for $350, which is the best value for what you're getting in fly rods that I'm aware of. Things I can also do is sign your business name or name on the rod to personalize it, and then we can do different thread colors as well. So if you have any more questions about this rod or any of my other rods, reach out to us through the website, millersriverboat.com, and I look forward to hearing from you.